Hello! In this interactivity, we're going to see how we can separate particles with different velocities. Here, charged particles of the same mass and charge will be projected at different velocities into a magnetic field that acts inside the box. Let's drag the flux density slider to the right to select a relative value of +1. You will see dots appear, which indicate that the direction of the magnetic field is out of the diagram, towards you. And let's drag the charge slider to a relative value of +1. And let's click play to project a stream of charged particles into the magnetic field at a relative velocity of 1. Notice the direction of the particles. It's moving in a circular path downwards. Let's click stop and reset to remove the particles and leave their blue circular track. Now let's give our particles a large velocity by dragging the velocity slider to a value of 2. And let's click play to project these faster particles into the magnetic field. What happens? The stream of particles is not bent as much. Let's click stop and reset. To remove the particles and leave their track, we're going to repeat this investigation with velocities of 3 and 4. Let's start with velocity 3. We're going to click play and notice what happens. Then stop, reset, and let's increase the velocity to a value of 4. Let's click play again and notice what happens. So, what is your conclusion? Absolutely. The faster the stream of particles, the less they are bent by a magnetic field. A stream of particles of different velocities could be separated by this method. That's all.